Hello and welcome to Section 7, MongoDB, Mongoose, and REST APIs. In this section, you're going to be building your very own REST API, similar to the weather API we used when we were building the weather app. Although instead of managing weather information, you're going to create an API that manages a to-do application, which means we're going to need ways to create, delete, complete, and otherwise manage our data. Now, in order to actually store this data, we could use the file system, but that's a really bad idea for most applications. It's great when you're working with simple command line interfaces, but for a real API like the one we're going to build, we want to use a real database, and we're going to be using MongoDB to get that done. MongoDB is a really popular NoSQL database. We'll talk exactly about what all of that means later, but for now, all you need to know is that it's going to let us persist user information as well as to-do information. We're also going to be looking at Mongoose, which is a library that makes it really easy to work with MongoDB, but before we add on libraries and obscure things even further, let's just stick to the fundamentals. We're going to get started by installing Mongo, and we'll spend a few videos going through exactly what Mongo is and why it's become so popular. Let's go ahead and dive in installing the database software.